All right, imagine this. You walk into your kitchen and there's a robot making your morning coffee. But instead of a cold metallic machine, it's wrapped in a soft knitted suit. Weird? Maybe. Awesome? Definitely. Meet Neo, a 5'5" robot weighing just 66 pounds, built by 1X. Unlike your typical sci-fi tin can robots, Neo is designed to feel more at home. Literally. It's covered in a 3D printed nylon suit, seamlessly woven with high-tech Japanese knitting machines. The result? A robot that looks more like a cozy housemate than a clunky factory bot. Plus, it's super quiet, only as loud as a fridge, and it can handle all sorts of everyday chores. Vacuuming, cleaning, doing laundry, and even brewing your coffee. Oh, and it can double as a mobile speaker system too. 1X just dropped a 37-second video showing Neo in action. Picture this, a happy couple, dressed in those trendy earthy tones, sipping coffee in their aesthetically pleasing, minimalist home. Meanwhile, Neo is quietly working in the background, practically ignored. And then, in a moment straight out of a Wes Anderson film, the camera pulls back outside. Through one window, you see the couple enjoying their wine, and through another, Neo, sitting alone on the couch, looking oddly lonely, almost like it needs a hug. And that's the thing. 1X is playing with our emotions. If you're like me, maybe you've already named your Roomba, no judgment. But Neo, it's built to make us wonder. Should we treat robots with more care? It moves like us, talks like us, and even reacts with body language. So is it just a machine or something more? Let's talk about tech. Neo moves using reinforcement learning at 100 Hz. That means it's been trained, often with motion capture data, to walk naturally, swing its arms in a relaxed way, and even squat, sit, or stand without toppling over. That's a big deal because most humanoid robots struggle with balance when dealing with, well, real life. A random toy on the floor? A cat zooming past? Neo is learning to handle those unpredictable moments. It also has a powerful visual manipulation model, so it can pick up objects it hasn't seen before, whether that's a spoon, a cup, or your misplaced TV remote. It's all powered by neural networks that process real-world data in real time. Now, one of the biggest challenges with humanoid robots, they need to be safe around people. No one wants a metal skeleton barreling through their living room, so 1X designed Neo with soft actuators covered in fabric, nothing sharp or dangerous. The knit suit, yep, more earthy tones, keeps it looking approachable and safe for kids, pets, and anyone else at home. Neo also has an in-house large language model, meaning you can talk to it just like you would with a smart assistant. But here's the kicker. It's not just about understanding words. 1X is giving Neo body language, nods, gestures, subtle reactions to make conversations feel more natural. Plus, it's got these LED-lit earrings that glow to show when it's listening, thinking, or about to respond. Oh, and if you ask it to grab pizza from the fridge, it might politely let you know that's outside its skill set for now. So what's 1X's grand plan? They want robots like Neo to learn from real home environments, not just controlled labs. The CEO, Bernd Oyvind Bernish, envisions a future where personal robots are as common as dishwashers. Think Baymax from Big Hero 6 or Rosie from the Jetsons. But before that happens, they need these robots to adapt to real-world challenges, opening doors for grandma, avoiding sleeping dogs, and handling clutter without causing chaos. If this all sounds familiar, it might be because 1X is backed by OpenAI, the same company behind ChatGPT. They even acquired a Bay Area robotics startup called Humanoid. While Neo doesn't yet use their tech, 1X is clearly working toward an AI-powered humanoid that can physically assist in everyday life. This ties into a much bigger trend, embodied AI. Instead of AI just existing on screens, companies want it to step into the real world, literally. Imagine a ChatGPT-like intelligence that can actually walk over to your stove and help you cook dinner. That's the dream, but right now, we're still in the early stages. Neo is a big improvement over 1X's previous model, but we're not quite at the point where you can add it to your Amazon cart. 1X is still working on reliability and cost. Because let's be honest, if a household robot drops coffee cups or can't figure out how to open a door, that's a deal breaker. And if it's meant to help the elderly or disabled, safety and strength are non-negotiable. But here's a wild thought. Should we actually care about how robots feel? Historically, no one worried about their vacuum cleaner's emotions. But the moment you give a robot a friendly face, LED eyes, and natural speech, things change. It's hard not to project feelings onto something that seems, well, a little human. Maybe that's just brilliant marketing, or maybe it's a sign of what's coming. Bottom line, Neo isn't just another humanoid robot. It's part of a bigger shift toward AI-powered assistants that could one day be an actual part of the family. It's still a work in progress, but 1X is pushing forward, learning from real homes and refining what might just be the future of household robotics. So, what do you think? Would you welcome a knit-covered robot into your home, or are we moving a little too close to sci-fi? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you enjoyed this deep dive, and subscribe for more AI and robotics updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.